Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this top. It's a crochet top. It's not difficult to make, as you will see. I found these pictures and I decided to show you how to make it. Hope you find this video useful and that you try it.
For this pattern, it's better that you use this type of yarn. It's a thread, as you can see here, and you use the hook that goes with it. When you go and buy it, you tell them what hook goes with it, and you use it. I'm going to show you on this with this yarn, so you see better what I am going to do. We start by making the chains. Now, chains you make. We're going to start from the upper part. So, chains you make, you measure the bust, and depending on the measurement of the bust, you make chains. Always starting from the upper part. So you measure the bust, and chains you make according to the bust measurements. Now I made the chains. I'm going to work on this to show you how it's done. You make sure that you make the chains all looking in the same side. You go in the first one here and you close it with a slip stitch, so it is all around. We're going to work all around these. So we're going to start. We go in the first chain here, we make a slip stitch, we make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. This serves as a treble, the first one, and we're going to make 4 trebles in the same place. 1, 2, 3 and 4. With the chains, those are 5. So with the first 3 chains, these serve as a treble, so these are 5. We skip 1 chain, we go to the next one and we do a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. We skip another chain, we go in the next one and we do the same, 5 trebles or 5 double crochet, depending how you call it. 2, 3, 4 and 5. We slip 1 chain, we go to the next one and we do a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. Again, we slip 1 chain, we go to the next one and we do 5 trebles or 5 double crochet, depending how you call it. 3, 4 and 5. We skip another chain, we go to the next one and we do a single crochet, and you continue all the round like this. You skip another one with 5 trebles, you skip another one, single crochet, skip another one, 5 trebles. You continue all the row like that. I arrived here at the edge. As you can see, the important thing is that they are looking all the same way, and I'm going to finish here. I go here with a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. You go in the first chain here and you finish with a slip stitch, and that is the first round ready. This is the upper part of the top, as I told you. Now we're going to start the next row, and we have to arrive here in this one in the middle. So we go here with a slip stitch until we arrive in the one in the middle here, and we do a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. Now here where we have the single crochet or double crochet, we have to make 5 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4 3, 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we go here in the middle one of these 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the middle one, and we do a single crochet. Again we go here in the single crochet or double crochet of before, and we're going to make 5 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We go in the middle of this one, and we're going to make a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it, and you continue all the row like that. Here we make 5 trebles. So as I told you, here when we made the single crochet or double crochet, we're going to make 5 trebles, and the single crochet we're going to make it here in the middle of this one. All the rows that go around, that go after this one, they are all the same. Where you have these 5, you make the single crochet in the middle. Where you have the single crochet, you make the trebles. This row is ready too. I'm going to show you how to finish it. You go here, we finished with 5 trebles. You go here where we started with the single crochet, and you finish with a slip stitch. Now in that same place we're going to make 3 chains, and we're going to make 4 trebles, because these are the ones, the 3 chains serve as a treble. We're going to start again the same 3, 4, and 5. Now here we have the trebles. We go with the one in the middle, and we make a single crochet. These are trebles or double crochet, depending how you call them. Again we arrive here and we make 5 trebles or 5 double crochet, and you continue like this all the other rounds until you have enough. You have crocheted enough that you cover the bust, the part of the bust. You have enough rows, depending on the size of the bust, that you cover the bust with it. Then we continue with the other part of the top. Now when you have finished all the rows that you need, as I told you for the part of the bust, the upper part, the important thing is that the row you finish with is this row where you have started with the single crochet. The important thing that you finish the row with, you started with the single crochet or double crochet, how you call it, not where you finished when you started with these. So you finish with a slip stitch here in the single crochet there. This is the row that you have to finish with, the one that you started with the single crochet. Now we're going to start with 3 chains. These 3 chains serve as a treble, okay? Now 3 chains. Now we go and we do another 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first 3 chains, those are for a treble, and 4 chains to separate. We skip these 5 and we go here where we made the single crochet or double crochet, and we do a treble or double crochet, how you call it. 3 chains. Now after you make these 3 chains, you go here in the chains and the stitches here, and you make a slip stitch, and you make another treble or double crochet in the same place. So it has to come like this. Now another 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We skip these 5. We go here and the single crochet or double crochet, and we make a treble. Another 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. You go here and you make a slip stitch, and in the same place you make another treble. Another 4 chains. You skip these 5, you go in the next one, you make a treble, you continue all the row like that. 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. You go in the chains here, slip stitch, and another treble in the same place. And you continue all the row like that. You separate them with 4 chains. When you arrive here, you make a treble, 3 chains, you close it with the slip stitch, another treble, 4 chains, you continue like we did here, all the row like that. We arrived at the last, I will show you how to finish it. We made the 4 chains here. Here is where we made the first 3 chains. In the same place we make a treble. We make a treble in the same place. 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. We go here like we did before, we do a slip stitch. And we finish, we go in the third one, 1, 2, 3 in the third one. And we finish with a slip stitch. Sorry, doesn't come right. 1, 2, 3. And we finish with a slip stitch. And that is the row, as you have seen, ready. Now we're going to start the next row, and we're going to start from here. So to go there, we go with a slip stitch like this until we arrive in the middle. We make 3 chains. These will serve as a treble. And another 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We go here in the middle, and we're going to make a treble here. 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. We go here like we did before, and we close them like this. And in the same place we're going to do another treble. Another 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We go here, we do a treble, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. We go here, slip stitch, and another treble in the same place in the middle there. Another 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We go here, we do another treble, and you continue all the row like this. You do 3, you go here, you close it with a slip stitch, and another treble in the same place. And you continue all the row like that. You do 4 chains, you skip these, and here you do a treble, 3 chains, you close it, and another treble, 4 chains. You continue all the row like that. Then I show you how to finish it. We arrived here at the end. Here I made the 4 chains that separate. Here is where I started with the chains. I go here, I do a treble, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. I go here, finish like this, and I go in the third one here, and I finish the row like that. Then we start again the first row, and we do the same. We go here, the next row. We go here until we arrive here in the middle, 3 chains, another 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We go in the next one, we do a treble, and you have always repeat 1, 2 and 3. You go here, 3 chains, another treble, and you have always to repeat this pattern. Then when you arrive here at the edge, you do like we did here. You do a treble here, 3 chains, you close it, and you close it in the third chain. You continue all the rows like that, the part. This part over here, this is the upper part, this is the lower part. Now for the shoulder strips, you take the measurements, how long you want them, the strips, and you make the chains. Now I made some chains, and I'm going to show you how to do the strips. It's very easy. In every chain you make a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. In every one, in every chain you have, as I told you, you have to take the measurements, how long you want the strips. You make single crochet in every chain. You have to make 3 rows. You finish the first row, you turn around, you do a chain, and you do the second row. 3 rows, depending how large you want the strips, how wide you want them, the strips. If you want them wider, you make more rows. If you don't want them wider, you make less rows. And you continue like this, depending how wide you want the straps. These are 3 rows. As I told you, if you want them wider, you make more. If you want them narrower, you make less. And these are.
And this is the final result, how the top comes. As you have seen, it was not difficult to make. It's a very beautiful top. Hope that you try it. Bye for now.